Attention educators. Planning school trips out can be really time consuming, not to mention the stress of finding transport, parent chaperones to help during the day, and there's always the panic that you might lose a student when out in public. But you don't have to have this stress. Our award-winning planetarium experiences come directly to your school, eliminating that stress so you can focus on other things. Our team will work with you to tailor the experience to your school and your students. And with over 200 experiences available, you don't have to compromise on content either. All our staff are DBS checked and have undergone safeguarding training so you can be sure that your students have the best and safest experiences possible. We even cater to SEN schools. As a national company, we cover the whole UK, so we can definitely come to you. Email us today to discuss what we can do for your school at info@immersivexperiences.co.uk.